This will be a description of the Quickdraw weaving program version 5.2's ability to spread warp threads from one shaft to multiple shafts. Now, I've created a sample little program here which just has a point twill on the upper 4 shafts and a tabby on the lower 2. It's kind of an ugly pattern, but for what I'm doing it should be adequate. What I want to do is take the threads or heddles that are on shaft 1, split them, add 2 more shafts, and spread those evenly, because if there's too much load on shaft 1. So if I hit the spread button, what it's going to do is look at the existing threading. It's going to figure out which shaft has the most heddles on it, in which case it's shaft 1, and say I want to spread it through 3 shafts, and I can select whatever number I want or whichever shaft I want there. When I hit do it, what was on shaft 1 is now spread between shaft 1, 2, and 3. What was in shafts 2 through 6 is now 2 threads higher. If I do that again, because this was a tabby, so the other half of the tabby is still on shaft 4. So after spread, now it's figured out that shaft 4 has the biggest load on it. And so I want to do that to 2 different shafts. Now when I do it, what was on shaft 4 is now gone into shaft 4 and 5, 4 and 5, and the pattern hasn't changed. It's readjusted the tie-up, the treadling hasn't changed. And one note, if you're doing that, make sure you do not have Trompe's rivets on, because that will mess up the pattern. But that is how it can spread heddles from one shaft to multiple shafts. And you can go spread that as far as you want to.